This little table like sings to me. So here, guys, watch this. When I teach this in pre-calculus, I call it tell me, ask me. Because the problem's going to tell you something. You can write the function down for that. And then it's going to ask you something. You can write the function down for that. And then you step back and say, how do these dudes play together? What can I use from what they tell me to help me with what they ask me? So number one, for example, what do they tell you? Perimeter is 40. Okay, beautiful. So the perimeter is 40. Now, what do you have to identify for yourself? It doesn't really matter. Variables are dummy things. They can be anything. What variables do you want to use? L and W? I love it. So, L, W. So they tell me this, which of course, you would write what for that? What's the formula? 2L plus 2W equals 40. And they ask me about what? They ask me to write a function for what thing? Area. No, read it, be careful. I want to write a function for the area as a function of width, right? The area as a function of width. So it's just, don't freak out about that. We're going to build towards that. You don't start there. What is the area formula for what I drew? LW, right? Can I now just show you why we have to do this? We're in single variable calculus. 281 is multivariable calculus. There's too many freaking variables here. Can I use what they tell me to help me with what they ask me? What can I do with this? Solve for one of them. Pick your favorite one or your least favorite one because you're going to replace it with the other dude, right? Here, if I solve for L, what do I get? I get 40 minus 2W divided by 2, so I get 20 minus W. Is that cool? And then you can just put that shit in there. Now, why did I pick that? Because it said I want it as a function of width. So you want to get rid of the length. You want to have only the width left. Now you have area as a function of only width once you plug that in. If I wanted area as a function of length, I would have solved for W so I can get rid of it. All right, you guys keep going. You got one more step here, and then I can do the rest of it.